No.
What's going on?
No.
Yeah.
I need you.
But that is amazing, just to be able to speak. And you know, I mentioned he spoke and got it done in one day.
Okay.
Our days are not his days. Let's get that part.
Yeah, I've learned that.
And then the other thing is, the only reason why he was able to speak is because he had authority.
Yes.
He knew that.
He
knew that he had authority over the earth at that
authority,
point.
or would the more proper word be dominion?
Dominion.
Okay.
Funny you say dominion, because a little ways down, you know, that Miles Monroe, I will always enjoy his ministry. He taught us
Bless his soul.
Rest on. Send something down here. Good word.
Something. You know, see what we need to.
We tried to get these people back in.
Right.
But he said profound. He's like, prayer is a heavenly license to have dominion over the earth. Mm-hmm. When God created man, he gave him dominion. He said, this is yours. He said, you have rule over all the creeping things, everything leaving.
Everything, yeah.
Is under our subjection. That's why animals don't have the same rights as humans. Okay.
PSA. You ain't got no sense, buddy.
But that's true.
But it is.
And I don't want to hear, well, my dog should deserve a pension. Like, your dog did nothing but bark and get the crumbs off of your plate.
Helping Jesus. But I totally get that. And the wild of that is the whole thing of sometimes it comes so natural that we don't even pay attention to that. We speak something that when it comes to fruition, we're just as surprised that the next person not realizing.
I was surprised with this because I was like, after I got home, I got home after it. I was excited. I'm like, oh, this is nice. I like the set. It's something.
Oh, what the set?
Of the other people. I said, I like the set. I gotta create some creative license. I can do some things. And there, I even told them some ideas. We ain't gonna say that was on TV, but I gave them some ideas and everything. And they're like, oh, we like you already. The lady's mom, she's like, oh, I like him. She cooked good.
Oh, wow.
I called her back. I was like, if your mama looking for a tenderoni, because I like to eat.
Yeah, you had a good week.
but all of that is, and then I did my wind down the next day. Okay. Did my communication with God, whatever you want to call it, my communion, my centering myself. Just centering myself. Yeah. And then I realized he just answered the question you asked 4 hours before you did this.
Right.
And I forgot about the meeting for a moment, and he reminded to me, and then I was like, because I was just going to go to the meeting. We thought we was going to talk about money later. You know, I still respect everyone's creativity. I try to push them, even if I can't be involved in that, you know.
Gotcha.
But he was like, you already got your answer. All I could do was smell this big old cooling grid, run through walls and everything else. But, you know.
No wonder you smiling so hard.
I can't wait to get it. He's like, y'all both can't be smiling that hard on the one side.
I'm just saying. I mean,
but I know that you're gonna be there to celebrate with me.
Okay.
And we're gonna be there to celebrate this victory when we get this taken care of. That's all I got.
That's all I can say.
And y'all out there, if y'all have something, y'all tell us. We're gonna celebrate with you. We're not gonna run around the church. Too much cut for that.
No, my bones ain't gonna take all that running.
The two steps. Steps. Wait a minute. I won't let this one do the 2 steps.
Yeah, I can jump and run, and jump in place and all of that. But all that running ain't gonna happen. I look fit, but something inside.
I got the energy, but you know,
that's what I'm saying.
There's too many wires around here, tree branches that I want to jump over. I'll let Diva run for us.
There we go. Yeah, where is Diva?
She's back in the house.
She's mad. And I went in and got the she's mad. Poor baby. Wow.
I think we did justice this week.
I think so.
All right, let's let him go.
Let's let him go. See y'all.